Welcome to Citing Your Sources, Copyright versus Citation, a video from the Georgetown University Library. The rules for copyright and citation can be confusing, and there are often misunderstandings about the role of each when you're incorporating third-party works into a project. At the conclusion of this video, you should be able to explain how your responsibilities for citing your sources differs from your copyright responsibilities, and also how the copyright status of a work differs from a citation to that work. The key to understanding copyright and citation is to know that copyright and citation are two related but very different concepts. Citing your sources is not the same as having copyright permission to use them. Copyright is a legal right defined in the Copyright Act, Title 17 of the United States Code, which grants copyright owners the exclusive right to copy and distribute their work with some exceptions. There are serious penalties in the law for copyright infringement. Citing your sources is not a provision of U.S. copyright law. Citation is an element of academic integrity and provides a standardized way for authors to recognize the contributions of others to their work. Proper citation is a responsibility of all students under the Georgetown Honor System, Section 3B, which reads in part, while different academic disciplines have different modes for attributing credit, all recognize and value the contributions of individuals to the general corpus of knowledge and expertise. Students are responsible for educating themselves as to the proper mode of attributing credit in any course or field. Other universities, organizations, and professions have similar requirements for properly citing your sources. Let's take a look at a couple of examples of third-party works to determine what exception to copyright law applies and what a proper citation looks like. First, this image is from an article in a nanotechnology journal that was issued under a CC BY license. For copyright purposes, anyone can use or adapt it as long as the authors are properly credited. The citation to the article meets the requirements of both academic integrity and the CC license. Next is a copyright image from the online Wonder exhibit at the Renwick Gallery in Washington, D.C. If I were to use this image in an article in a scholarly journal about color and light in contemporary art, the copyright exception allowing my use might be fair use. The citation to the image fulfills the academic integrity requirements and directs the reader or viewer to where the image came from. Finally, we have a public domain image, Water Lilies by Claude Monet. Due to the age of this painting, it is in the public domain, and the Art Institute of Chicago has made a digital version publicly available and marked it with a public domain designation on its website. There are no copyright restrictions on this work, though a citation is required for both academic integrity and to allow the viewer to easily locate the image. For additional information about copyright law and citation practices, consult these resources. If you have questions or need more information, email librarycopyright@georgetown.edu.